Hello everyone, this is Paul from Referral Auto Group. We're about to go through the 2026 Forest River Stealth 2800. Hello everyone, this is Paul at Referral Auto Group, and we're about ready to go through this Stealth 2800 2026. This thing is 32 feet 3 inches long, weighs 9,952 pounds, sleeps about 6 people, has solar, has a 15.7 cubic foot fridge, tankless water heater, has a freshwater capacity of 150 gallons, a gray water capacity of 97 gallons, and a black water capacity of 40 gallons, and a gas capacity in a fuel tank back there of 40 gallons. So let's start with the front here at the door, the entryway, aluminum steps going in. I'm probably going to miss a few things, but check out the photos with everything opened up, all the compartment doors, cabinets. But it has the 4 steps going in, the long handle that extends the length of the stairs, which I think is great. Has a storage compartment right here. Let's see if I can open this. Large storage compartment. Propane tanks. Down here you got a storage compartment that goes all the way through. To the front, which is pretty nice. A lot of storage. Battery cutoff switch up there as well. Also has a water filter back there. Okay. Nice front fiberglass cap with LED lights. I'm kind of in tight quarters today, so I'm stumbling around a little bit, don't mind me. But nice graphics on the side. Has independent front controls for the landing gear on the front. It's kind of nice. And here is your, I believe this is your battery compartment. We will put a brand new battery in here for you. You also have your generator right here, 6,000 watt. Tankless water heater. That's your water compartment down here. I think I locked it, but I'll look at the photos and you'll see all the compartment doors opened up. Sewage dump valves down there. Aluminum wheels. I believe these are 16-inch, all black. You got your pop outs for the bedroom and in the living area. Down here you have your fuel tank, fuel cap. Like I said, it's 40 gallons. And then your patio kit with patio doors. LED lights up on top. Got a rear entry door in the back. Very cool. Come around this way. Again, we're kind of tight in here. Do the best I can. Large awning. Fuel cell. Electric landing gear legs in the back. Come around this way. Again, the aluminum wheels. All right, let's go inside. Now I'm going to do a quick pan around. So you can kind of see. Back this way. All right, let's start over here at the entryway. You got your control panel here, solar monitor, air conditioning and thermostat, heater thermostat, 15.7 cubic inch refrigerator, solid surface countertops, stainless steel sink, 3-burner stovetop, stainless steel microwave, tons of storage. You have your cabinets above the TV. I want to say that's probably a 55-inch TV with seating on the opposite side. Fireplace down below. JBL stereo just above the fireplace. And then your back sitting area, and there's a table also. I believe it's underneath the bed here. And I'm gonna walk back to the back patio. See if I can not bump my head. Pretty nice to be able to hang out outside, not completely be on the ground. Back this way. Large patio doors. Go back inside. Doors are nice, keep all the bugs out. All right. Turn around. Large cabinets above here. You got your air conditioner, you got your vent for in case you get a lot of toys in here and keeps the smell of gas out. Pull down blinds. Blackout blinds. Hooks on the floor. Check the specs for the width. See if it's going to work for your toys, if you have toys. Toy haulers aren't necessarily just for toys anymore. They're basically the ultimate bunkhouse. Use the bunks when you need them.
Teamwork is essential.
Not use them when you don't.
How else are you supposed to blame it on someone else?
Come around this way.
Thanks for listening at work to Cat Country.
There's Tony over there. The hallway going up. 2 steps. Little stainless steel sink. Full stand-up shower. Skylight. Looks like a porcelain toilet. That's good. Always like to see those. Courtesy fan up there. More cabinets above there and down below. And coming here, I'm going to do a little pan around so you can kind of see the whole room. Okay. Same thing on this side. Let's peek in this door real quick. More storage. Very cool. You have a slide out with, I guess you can call it a dresser type of wardrobe with a window and a counter space. Pan around this way. Very nice. TV location there. All right, I'm gonna go down to the living room and pan around. You also got a thermostat here as well. Pan around a little bit, let you see the inside. I'm a little rusty at these videos. I haven't done one in a while, actually a week. All right, pan around. Come around this way. Then go outside and take one more quick look at it. All right, everybody. This is our 2026 Stealth 2800. Just got in. And also would like to talk about our service department. And there's Tony. We can handle all your truck outfits, all your truck needs to pull any one of these trailers that we have. And you can reach us at www.referralautogroup.com. Thanks for watching.